Love. It's a universal language, whispered in the rustling leaves and sung by the crashing waves. We yearn for it, cherish it, and sometimes we seek a little help to find it. In the heart of nature's embrace lie crystals, ancient and brimming with energy, whispering promises of love and happiness. They have captivated hearts for centuries, their beauty a testament to the power they hold. Could these shimmering stones be the key to unlocking our heart's desires? Crystals, with their intricate structures and vibrant hues, have long been associated with metaphysical properties. Many believe they can influence our energy fields, promoting healing, balance, and even attracting love. While science may not fully grasp their mystical allure, countless stories echo the power of crystals in matters of the heart. Our fascination with crystals dates back centuries. Ancient civilizations recognized their beauty and power, incorporating them into rituals and talismans. In Egypt, the land of pharaohs and pyramids, lapis lazuli, with its deep blue hue, symbolized celestial love and wisdom. Cleopatra herself adorned her eyes with this precious stone, believing it enhanced her allure and intuition. Across the world, in ancient China, jade, known for its soothing energy, was believed to attract prosperity and marital bliss. Couples exchanged jade carvings as tokens of love and commitment, believing it strengthened their bond. These ancient traditions whisper of a time when humans lived in harmony with nature, seeking guidance and solace from its treasures. Each crystal, with its unique energy signature, resonates with different aspects of love. Rose quartz, the quintessential love stone, emanates gentle, soothing energy, healing emotional wounds and opening the heart to love. Its delicate pink hue embodies compassion, forgiveness, and unconditional love. For those seeking passion and intimacy, carnelian, with its fiery orange tones, ignites the flames of desire and creativity. It boosts confidence and vitality, encouraging us to embrace our sensuality. Amethyst, on the other hand, with its regal purple hues, promotes tranquility and spiritual connection, deepening the bond between lovers. It encourages communication, understanding, and forgiveness. Section 4. Inviting love into your life with crystals. Crystals are not mere trinkets. They are tools for manifestation. Their energy, when consciously directed, can amplify our intentions and help us attract our heart's desires. One powerful practice is to meditate with rose quartz, holding it close to your heart and visualizing yourself surrounded by love. Another way to incorporate crystals into your daily life is to carry them with you. Keep a small rose quartz in your pocket, or wear a carnelian pendant to boost your confidence and attract romantic opportunities. You can also place crystals strategically in your home. Place a pair of rose quartz hearts on your nightstand to invite love into your bedroom. Section 5. Crystals, beacons of hope and love. In a world often filled with uncertainty and doubt, crystals offer a glimmer of hope and magic. They remind us of the power of intention, the importance of self-love, and the infinite possibilities that exist when we open our hearts. Whether you're seeking a soulmate or simply wanting to enhance the love you already have, these ancient treasures can be powerful allies on your journey. Remember, the most important ingredient in attracting love is believing in its power. Crystals can be wonderful tools to support your journey, but the magic truly unfolds when you open your heart to the possibility of love in all its forms.